Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can sign in to your Yahoo Mail account. So first, you can download and install Yahoo Mail app on your Google Play Store or App Store if you're using iOS device. Go to your Google Play Store and search for Yahoo Mail and then install this app on your device. Another way here is by going to your browser. So open up your Google Chrome and then use the URL box at the top and search for mail.yahoo.com and tap on search. Here you just need to sign into your Yahoo Mail. You can go to tap on the blank option to enter your username, email, or mobile, and then tap on next. And from here, you just need to enter verification code that's sent to your email. And then you can basically set up your account. You can then sign in with your face, fingerprint, or PIN, or maybe later. So I'm going to tap on maybe later. And here, just one tap away, you can basically get Yahoo Mail or just tap on the mobile site. So tap on that mobile site and continue using your Yahoo Mail account on your mobile phone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.